Registers of Scotland are a public sector organisation. On behalf of the Scottish public, we are the custodians of 21 registers that relate to land and property and other legal documents. We are aiming to deliver product sustainability in our digital space. We're aiming to deliver service acceleration in our digital space. And we're aiming to deliver data certainty in our digital space. And when you translate that to technical terms, what that really means is that we are refactoring a whole bunch of existing digital products. So we needed a cloud strategy that delivered the agility and innovation capabilities that are essential for our product colleagues to be able to move at speed. We are the only organisation in the world that holds the land and property data of Scotland. And that ultimately means a lot of bespoke development. When scanning the marketplace, we determined that AWS really offer the greatest suite of tools that allow you to perform those bespoke development needs. We've leveraged AWS professional services as subject matter expert consultants, guiding consultants, and that has been a real positive experience for Registers of Scotland. AWS professional services engage as a partner in the truest sense. They seem to immerse themselves in who you are and what you're trying to achieve, and they genuinely seem invested in the goals that you're working towards. Despite us being in our relative early days of cloud adoption, what we can already see is that our time to deliver and develop new registers has reduced by approximately 50% just by using a baseline blueprint that technologies like CDK and Lambda can provide us. So all of this ultimately means that the end user, the customer, the Scottish public are benefiting. And they're benefiting directly and indirectly. We can be more agile, which means that we can react to their demands much quicker. But over and above that, we're able to build better capabilities and processes and systems for our internal operational staff. And that allows them to better serve the Scottish public in processing our property transactions.